How to insert PDF file in PowerPoint. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you insert PDF file in your PowerPoint. So let's get started. So simply on this process, you will have to open PowerPoint. So simply you have to search it from here and you have to open the PowerPoint. Okay, so after opening the PowerPoint, you'll have to go for the option like insert from here. You'll have to go for the options like object, like you can see it is in here. So you have to click on this object section. So now from here, you'll have to choose for the option create from file. And from here, you'll have to browse that PDF file. So simply click on this browse option and head to the PDF file whom you want to add in the PowerPoint. So like I'm selecting this PDF. Okay, after the selection of PDF file whom you want to add in the PowerPoint, you'll have to click on this OK option. Okay, so I can adjust the size of this PDF file. So let me show you that it is working or not. So simply double tap on it and here you got the options to open it. Alright, now you can see that I can open the PDF file from the PowerPoint. So likewise, you can also insert the PDF file in your PowerPoint. So it might be helpful while presenting your presentation with a PDF. Hope you like this video and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.